In today's digital age, cyber threats are evolving at an unprecedented pace, posing significant risks to the defense industrial base. Without robust cybersecurity measures, sensitive defense information is left vulnerable to malicious attacks. CMMC compliance isn't just a bureaucratic requirement, it's a critical necessity for safeguarding national security. Protecting sensitive data is paramount, and CMMC provides the framework to ensure this protection. CMMC, or Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification, is a unified standard for implementing cybersecurity across the defense industrial base. It ensures that contractors adhere to stringent security practices, and there can be significant sanctions for failing to be compliant. The model consists of 3 levels, each with specific practices and processes. These levels guide organizations in enhancing their cybersecurity posture progressively. CMMC compliance is mandatory for all defense contractors. Non-compliance can result in losing valuable defense contracts, making it crucial for businesses to meet these standards. By ensuring compliance, contractors can protect sensitive information from cyber threats, maintaining trust and securing their position in the defense industry. Navigating CMMC requirements can be daunting and complex. Each level of CMMC has distinct requirements that must be met, demanding a thorough understanding and strategic approach. Understanding these requirements is crucial for successful compliance. Without a clear roadmap, organizations risk falling short of the necessary standards and facing punitive sanctions. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in cybersecurity consulting. Our team possesses a deep understanding of CMMC requirements and processes, ensuring your compliance journey is seamless and is a certified RPO. We provide tailored solutions to meet your specific compliance needs, offering expertise and guidance every step of the way. Trust us to help safeguard your sensitive information. We begin with a comprehensive assessment of your current cybersecurity posture. This allows us to identify gaps and areas for improvement, setting the stage for a successful compliance journey. You will get a very detailed report as a part of this assessment. Our experts develop a customized roadmap to achieve CMMC compliance, ensuring that your organization meets all necessary standards. We offer ongoing support to ensure continuous compliance and improvement. Hear from our satisfied clients who have successfully achieved CMMC compliance. Our expertise has helped numerous companies secure their defense contracts, ensuring their cybersecurity success. We are committed to delivering results and ensuring your cybersecurity success. Our track record speaks for itself, with countless organizations benefiting from our guidance. Don't leave your defense contracts to chance. Ensure your compliance today. Contact Arrakis Consulting to start your journey towards CMMC compliance and secure your future in the defense industry. Together, we can navigate the complexities of CMMC and protect your sensitive information. Take the first step towards safeguarding your organization by reaching out to us now. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, you'll gain peace of mind knowing your cybersecurity is in expert hands. Let's work together to secure your place in the defense industry. Remember, CMMC compliance is not just a requirement, it's a necessity. Protect your sensitive information and maintain your competitive edge by ensuring compliance today. Our team is ready to assist you in achieving CMMC compliance. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to begin your journey towards a secure and compliant future. Thank you for watching. We look forward to partnering with you to achieve your cybersecurity goals. Together, we can help ensure your success in the defense industry.